Over the past few days, several events were hosted on island in observance of International Men's Day, which is intended to focus on the issues faced by men from different cultures and socio-economic backgrounds across the world. But not everyone is in support of the day designated to men. Attorney at law Jerry Edwin said he is not in support of celebrating International Men's Day, as international days are designated for groups of people who were oppressed or marginalized. History, he said, has not shown that men were oppressed, but rather men have been the oppressors and dictators. Edwin said the move by some men to get the United Nations to recognize International Men's Day is sad and a move to play victim.
In the Western world, women got the right to vote in 1920 in the United States. In Grenada, women got the right to vote in 1951. I guess some men feel left out because there is no basis on which men can claim any category of oppression. When men say they need a day, right-thinking people have to stand up and say, you don't know your history. You don't understand why these days are created. International days are created for people who have been oppressed. Please tell me, who have oppressed we men?
The lawyer explains that there are other ways to celebrate men and address social ills that affects them.
I think it is important, though, to recognize a day for men's health. I think it's important to decry the state of the illiteracy of young men and the difficulty they have in schools. But these are sociological questions. This is not an inherent crisis in which men are prevented from going to school. Women have been prevented from getting an education. Women have been prevented from entering the workforce. Women have been prevented from earning equal pay with men. What is the purpose of an International Men's Day except as a vanity affair?
He is encouraging Grenadian men to rethink the move to celebrate International Men's Day.
I think the International Men's Day is a backward step in the advancement of civil society. We do not recognize conquerors. We do not have a day to say that let us celebrate those people who wiped out in 14 years. So I urge the folks here in Grenada, my friends, my male friends, to rethink this idea of International Men's Day.
International Men's Day is not a United Nations recognized global observance day. Rena Thomas, GBN News.